Hi, how you doing? I'm David from J. Allen Toyota. Today we're going to show you how to change a battery in a 2019 Camry. This process will work from a 2018 to a 2021. So let's get started. All right, here we go. So we're going to replace the battery in a 2019 Camry. Remember, this is a battery. There's a lot of electricity going on here. So you have a negative and a positive. You do not want to touch them together, and you do not want your tools to connect them. It can be very dangerous. So if you're not comfortable with that, don't attempt this, but here we go. We're going to show you. All right, so we're going to get started by loosening the 10mm bolt on the negative terminal. All right, once you have it loose, you can then lift up on the negative terminal and separate it from the battery. Remember, do not let negative and positive touch. All right, next we're going to remove the safety over the positive terminal, and then we will use a 10mm bolt here to loosen up the terminal. And then you'll pull up and remove the positive terminal and separate it from the battery. And like I said, remember, do not let them touch. All right, the next step is going to be the tie down for the battery itself. What this does is keep the battery from moving around while you're driving. This is a 12mm bolt that you'll be loosening. You will then remove that bolt and harness, and now your battery is able to be removed. This battery actually has a handle on top, some don't. There are tools where you can pick up batteries that are available, but this one we're just going to lift up and show you how to remove it. And there you go. So next we're going to put it back in and show you how to hook everything back up and what that process is. So you put the battery in. Remember, make sure you have a plus and a minus on the battery. Plus will be positive, minus will be negative. We're then going to reinstall the bracket clip with the 12mm bolt. And tighten that bolt down. You then connect your positive cable and tighten the 10mm bolt. Reinstall your protective positive cover. And then we install the negative cable with the 10mm bolt. Tighten it down. There we go. And we have installed a battery on a 19 Camry. All right, well, good job. Now you know how to change out a battery in a 2019 Camry. And remember, if you need any parts, go to jallentoyota.com and order your parts online. Also, we want to do more of these how-to videos. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, give us some information in the comments. Let us know what you want to change, and we'll be glad to help you. So thank you so much, and we appreciate it. We'll see you next time.